Top of the top, gang. It's your boy, Mr. ROI, Mr. Return on Investment. Guys, I didn't think I'd be making my second video so soon, but I see a good way to tie this in. As I spoke to you guys the other day on my first video, and I really appreciate everybody liking, subscribe, sharing. Really appreciate that, you guys. But on my video, I shared that, one of the best times to trade is when, a press release is out there or during earnings, because you get all that volume, all those people, buying and selling the shares, basically investors are making bets on this. Again, you guys, I want to make you understand that this is betting, you guys. Honestly, anybody tells you any different is lying to you. I mean, isn't that investing in total? If you look at it. So let's get into it, you guys. Uber just, a couple hours ago released a, press release that they're partnering with Chinese Pony AI to launch robotaxis in the Middle East. Now, normally in this environment, you guys, that would be bullish. But if you guys follow me on social, you've seen that I made a comment that 2 days ago, my driver told me that, there's so much competition, et cetera. He's making about 40% less now. He's making about, $12 an hour. Yesterday, my driver told me that more people are working from home, you guys. So he's seeing less and less demand for Uber. Factor that in with their delivery service business, with inflation, all those type of things, you guys. I just don't see how Uber is going to have a positive earnings. Even if they do in this market, take a look at Palantir stock, take a look at Palantir run up to earnings. Typically what you see, guys, is a huge run up to earnings, and either the stock will continue to run or it drops massively. Usually that's one of the two things that I've noticed. So what I would do and what I did is, if you've made your Investopedia account, congratulations. So we're in here. Let's go to options because we press trade. Let's go to options. Let's look up Uber. I'll show you exactly what I actually did, you guys, this morning. If you go on my socials, you guys will see this. So Uber, just take a look at Uber here. Now, again, I'm against it. I'm bearish. That means I'm buying puts, you guys. So if you guys take a look, I bought these 83 ones right here, you guys. Right now, they're asking about 269 again. Remember, get good at reading options, you guys. That represents 269 US, you guys. So 2.69. If it was 20, it would be 2,000, you guys. So kind of just understand that. Again, calls, you're for it. Puts is, you're saying that the price is going to stay put, or you're putting the price down. There's a strategy called straddle. I might make a video about that later, where you can, buy a call and a put just to hedge your bet. I haven't done a straddle in a very long time. Again, you guys, the trend is your friend. And right now in the economy, the trend is bearish. Until it reverses, you guys, it reversed for about 2 weeks. But until it fully reverses and we get out of this cycle, you guys, I'm going to remain bearish, you guys. Like, honestly, if it's not Bitcoin or Bitcoin weighted, I'm not really rocking with it, you guys. Unless it's oncology, you guys know I'm very passionate about that. Definitely, everybody should have oncology in their portfolio. So let's go here. I bought 3 of them things. Previewing the order, 792 US, you guys. So remember, there's 100 shares per contract. That's why you get that leverage, you guys. That's why you get that velocity, you guys. Michael Saylor does such a good job explaining, talking about velocity. And if you guys want to get ahead in life, you guys, shout out to you. I know it's hard out there. I know you're working that 9 to 5, you guys. But I'm telling you, you want to learn a skill like this, you guys, because anywhere in the world, you guys, you have access to internet. You can print money. Your phone is an ATM. Print accordingly, you guys. I've said this for the last how many years. So, boom. And if you're in Canada, I highly recommend trading within your TFSA, not financial advice. Talk to your accountant. Boom. So, there you go, you guys. Well, I'll definitely keep you guys updated on this, how this plays out. But again, I don't think Uber is going to be in positive territory tomorrow after earnings, and typically they report earnings after the bell. Again, the market is from 9:30 Eastern to 2:30 Eastern. So when I say the bell, I'm either talking about the bell prior to, so 9:30 Eastern, or the closing bell, which is 2:30 Eastern. And typically they do that, not to manipulate the stock, and boom. So that's just kind of one thing to talk to you guys about. And one thing I kind of forgot to mention here is the options that I did get. The options that I did get are for May 9th, you guys. Trade history. Let's take a look at this here. So there's no data, you guys. It's still confirming the trade, for sure. But yeah, the options that I bought, I mean, I can show you right here, you guys. The options that I bought were for May. And I think it's super important to kind of understand, you guys, like the closer the date, again, you guys, the more you're likely to make. Uber Technologies, let's click on that. And as you can see, stock's a little bit down, keeps kind of going down. Voila. So May 9th, just so you guys know, that's what we call a weekly. Again, time decay, how much time do you have on that option? So again, this expires Friday. So this means that you're going to see a higher return, you guys. Like, that's literally what it comes down to. You're going to see a higher return, you guys, because it's a more gutsy play. Like you can see right here, you guys, you can literally buy right all the way out to January 2027. Now let's say for like, yeah, the price is going to 83 or whatever, 82.50 by January, you guys, that means you have 2 years. Look at the price difference, you guys. They're asking $14.55, you guys. That's $1,400, you guys, compared to the $200. Why? Because it's a safer bet, you guys. Like literally, like, all the way January 2027. I wouldn't touch that one. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't touch that one. What I would do is this one, or maybe the one next week or 2 weeks out at most, you guys. Again, this is a weekly. This is what we call a lotto. This is a lotto play, you guys. So based off all those different, factors that I spoke about, I remain bearish on Uber. I don't foresee how they will beat earnings. And again, if they do beat earnings, especially in this environment, I do believe they will end up red. Again, $83. Look at the stock price now. It's at 84 and going down. So the closer and closer it goes to 83 and then ultimately breaks past that 83 threshold, you guys, the more money you're going to make. That's it, you guys. Forget all that, cute stuff, you guys. Just remember, up or down. Calls up, puts down. That's it. And get really good, you guys, at using that world, like your day-to-day experiences, you guys. Like, collect that data, you guys. Talk to people. Talk to people like I talk to those Uber drivers, you guys. And you'll see it'll help you make these sort of decisions. So I'm out, you guys. Appreciate the love, you guys. And I'm not sure when I'll make the next video, but I'll definitely give you an update on what happens with Uber. Cheers. Peace and love.